Hey y'all, I got a new knife today, and I'm gonna show you my awesome new knife. So this is my pocket knife that I've been using for the past month or two. It's freaking real nice. It's a buck knife, like double-edged and whatever, so you can stab better and stuff, you know. It's really nice, typical little knife to have. I love it. I'll still use it occasionally, you know, but today I went up to the Army surplus and talked to this dude and stuff, who was a former firefighter. He told me some legit stuff about this knife. So this one has like the seat belt cutter slicer thing on there. You see that? I don't know if y'all can see that. Oh well, you get the idea. And it also has the window breaker thing. Yeah. So I don't know, this knife just like looks freaking sweet too. It's like a tactical beastly knife. So yeah, there's my freaking legit new pocket knife. Oh, and it's also spring assisted. This flip up thing. So you can just put your thumb on it right there. See? It's my new pocket knife. Thank y'all for watching. Oh yeah. That's how a true American does it. American patriot. That's what's up, yo. Thanks for watching. Hunting area, calling all ducks. See you later.